So what we're really doing in picking up on trends and trying to predict behavior is we're trying to use massive amounts of data. First of all, on the kinds of behaviors that we've seen in the past from certain types of individuals. We can gather that through either transactions or in some cases social media, trying to bring that together and form a pattern out of it. So are we seeing something that's kind of repetitive? And then using that pattern in a model, a mathematical model that we try to represent all this data with, and try to output that model into the behavior of a particular individual so that we can say something about we're predicting this kind of behavior based on these kinds of conditions. The ability to kind of sift through all that data to figure out where the nuggets are, the diamonds in this thing, okay, is really starts with our sponsoring executives, and they have something that they're trying to accomplish. They're trying to sell more of something, or they're trying to understand a particular behavior of something or a particular phenomena. They want to release a product. So it's some objective that they have that we kind of start with. The methodology that we use about going through that is we try to identify in the organization who are the key stakeholders in this. We try to interview those stakeholders, and we try to get a feel for what their perspective of the problem is. Then once we get our hands on the data, kind of everything changes, okay? And so from that standpoint, we try to understand where the truth is, okay? And so maybe they didn't ask quite the right question, or they didn't give us quite the right objective. So the data may help us frame that objective a little more accurately. And normally out of that process, we get what it is they're really trying to understand and what's really achievable, at least at this moment in time, with the data that we have.